All right, hey guys, all you vintage electronic people, I got this in over the weekend. Now this is a 1984 Sears television. I don't need this light on actually. Let's turn that off, get that glare out of there. Yeah, there you go, the SR 2000 series, remote control. It's a 13-inch television set, manual push and pull switch. Only paid $3 for it. It does work. I'll power it up here real quick and then we'll show you the inside. I took it apart to clean it off. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't have a signal hook to it. I don't have a cable box hook to it. Just, you know, this is pretty cool. Touch button. Look at that. Pretty cool, guys. It's hard to see the illuminated numbers on it, but yeah, it's there you go. All right, let's turn it off and take a look at the insides real quick. All right. So yeah, I took it back off to dust it all out. As you can see, it more than likely it'll work. It's hard to tell with just a snowy screen, but I didn't see any reason why it wouldn't. Now I may need the light so you can see. Now what's impressive about this set, it's a Sears, and most of the on the newer models like this of Sears stuff was manufactured by Sanyo. Sanyo made a lot of their stuff, and that's true with this particular television. This is a Sanyo made. I got a new camera coming because this camera, I'm getting a whole new phone and camera. This one is just done for. So this is probably the last video on this camera, but it is manufactured by Sanyo. It says so down there in the process. You probably can't see that, but and the chassis, of course, is made in Japan. So pretty basic. Most all your televisions for this era had about the same kind of chassis, just manufactured different companies, but they were all pretty much the same. Nothing real special about them. And this camera is horrible, so this is definitely the last video I'm doing with it. What's impressive is the CRT, guys. Sears. So this definitely is Sears television, but if you look at that, it's made in USA. An American-made CRT. A lot of these Sanyo sets for Sears and whatnot, I've seen they had Japanese sets, had Sanyo CRTs. I've even seen Orion in them. But this was manufactured in '84. October of 1984. So yeah, pretty impressive. I mean, not bad. There's your electronic tuner. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the push-pull on and off switch, I had a 19-inch Sears TV that was, well, it was a Sanyo, and it was like that too, I think. So you could use a remote control. There's your remote control sensor. The on and off switch, I think if you left that switch in the on position and had your volume adjusted, then you could use the remote to turn the set on and off, because there's a power relay right there. And on this side back here, I don't know if you guys can see it back there, probably not. I don't want to get this camera in there. CRT is probably hot because I just had power to it. There's a voltage processor maintainer back there, and what that is, it's this integrated circuit, you can barely see it. That would be for like standby power, like your newer sets would have. So I'm thinking how that 19-inch I had worked is you leave the switch on, you can turn it on and off then with the remote control, but I could be wrong, but that's, yeah. So there you have it. I'm gonna finish dusting it all off, put it back together, and I guess throw it in the closet for whatever, maybe do some game, let the kids do some, let the girls do some gaming or something on it. All right, guys, there you have it. Sears 13-inch color television from 1984. Thanks for watching.